Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is in this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is rewarded play details. Rewarded play, how to get $1 in Google Play. Rewarded play, earn gift cards app on Google Play. User on our app daily and play to earn rewards. Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, and Best Buy gift cards can be yours. Yours rewards game are free. Rewarded Play earn gift cards app on Google Play. User use our app daily and play to earn rewards. Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, and Best Buy gift cards can be yours rewards games for or free rating. Is Rewarded Play legit, honest review, and payment proof. Rewarded Play is a legit Android gaming app that pays you with the free gift cards for playing new mobile games. Rewarded Play, I bought this Profit Watch on Amazon. I love the Reward Play app because you can earn money to so many different places by just playing amazing games that missing. Rewarded Play for Android, download the AP game. Rewarded Play transforms gaming time into an opportunity to earn complimentary gift cards from renowned retailers. Rewarded Play earn free gift cards playing games APK. For Rewarded Play is the best app for you to earn free gift cards for your favorite stores with no purchase necessary. Just play your favorite casual games on your thoughts. Rewarded Play app review win free gift cards. The Rewarded Play app was designed to provide a system where gamers can earn gift cards for various stores including Amazon, Target, eBay, and Walmart. Pros and cons: a wide array of free games from major companies, lots of ads, the games take up storage space, and the movement of the bulk defended. what how to earn money from peer to profit. And then the next Rewarded Play, I bought this profit watch on Amazon, and I love the Reward Play app because you can earn money to so much different places by just playing amazing games that missing show result with detail. Rewarded Play for Android, download the APK from Rewarded Play transforms gaming in time into an opportunity to earn complimentary gift cards from renowned owned retailer. Rewarded Play earn free gift cards playing games APK for Rewarded Play is the best app for you to earn free gift cards for your favorite stores with no purchase necessary. Just play your favorite casual games on your Rewarded Play app review win free gift cards. Rewarded Play app was designed to provide a system where gamers can earn gift cards for various stores including Amazon, Target, eBay, and Walmart. Pros and cons: a wide array of free gamer from major companies, lots of ads, the game stack up storage space. View full list. Rewarded Play earn gift cards overview. Use for app daily and play to earn rewards. Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, and Best Buy gift cards and can be your rewards game or free to play. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah.